Okay, Cage Transform Tool. So in this one, we actually get to muck around with a particular part, and just essentially we're selecting an area of an image that we want to manipulate. So in this image, we're actually going to manipulate this lady's nose. We've got her profile, and we're going to make her nose either bigger or smaller. So with this, we have to set anchor points over the image. When we click and drag, we can move those pixels. As we do this, Blender tries to integrate them. So we're going to see how this works, and what we're going to do, we've got our woman's, and say we want to adjust the profile of her nose. So we're going to start by zooming in, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the Cage Transform tool, and we're going to start clicking around the nose to set your anchor points. The thing you need to remember, you want to set anchor points where you want to move, but you also want to set some that you don't want to move. So in this profile, we're going to reshape the nose, so we need it to stay connected to the rest of the face. So our first couple of points are going to be places that we don't want it to move near the top of the nose. So we'll go, yep, we don't really want those to move. Now we're going around where we do want the ability to move. And just down, and remember we're going around the nose because we're trying to blend that whole nose part in, and we want to move it without, if we need to move an anchor point, we can just click and drag, or we can press Control and select a different one and drag it away. We'll finish up and close the shape. Beautiful. Once it's finished, you'll notice in the options you can actually deform, it switches automatically to deform. If you want to adjust your anchors or your cage, you'll have to move it back up to the other option. If you wanted to start all over again, press Escape. Now, in most cases, you're going to get the best ideas by not turning on Fill the Cage with a color. It makes it look like you're cutting out the transformed image from the rest, and it's just nasty. Now we can drag the anchors to try and change the nose. So selected anchors are square. We can do individual ones. We can actually do multiple ones by pressing the Shift key. And you can see here I've got these three selected, and we can make her nose bigger or smaller, and we can adjust things. When you're done, press return or enter, and finishes the transformation. You can see before and after if you undo and redo. So when you redo, what we're going to do is we're going to work on a profile picture that we can find, and I will set that up for